Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Uten OBD2 scanner, automatic car error code reader, English diagnostic tools, auto 12-volt, compatible, gasoline vehicles read clear error codes, model UT850. It has a multifunction OBD2 diagnostics tool. It is a professional diagnostic scan tool for car owners, which has almost OBD2/EOBD diagnostic function. Included reading and clear DTS, query, freeze frame data, read dynamic data streams, read vehicle informations, OT sensor test, EVAP system test, onboard monitoring system, read panning fault codes, and read permanent DTCs, read lines, status turn off malfunction indicator light, and print data to your PC. Wow, these are so many options in one device, as you can see, and it works. I tested this before. It has a huge broad compatibility. Works on most vehicles sold in the USA with model years of 1996 or newer. Supports all OBD protocols, and it works in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, Dutch, and so many other different languages. Turn check engine light off. Quickly read and erase stored emission-related codes, panning codes, and show code definitions. I am monitoring Readiness test. Help in resetting the monitor before taking it to smoke. Plus, it tells you what is going on before bringing the car in a garage. Saves you the trips to your mechanic. This saves money. Easy to operate. This OBD2 diagnostic scanner has a 2.8 inches big size LCD color screen. No needed to install any app. You can read codes on the screen. Anti-shock and slip designed. Unique dust resistant surface give you more comfortable hand feeling, more durability and stronger. This is right. And now let's have a look what's inside. This is the OBD2 cable. This you are going to switch inside the port of your OBD2 car diagnostic slot, and the other side you have to connect to the Uten automatic diagnostic scan tool, of course. Yeah, and this is high quality use, like older PC. This was the same system, but it's a good system because you can make a better shape of it and you make a better supporting unit. And this is the Uten automatic diagnostic scan tool itself. It has a really nice shape and LCD panel, and for better showing your display settings. On the back side it looks like this. It is really huge, but this is good in this case because you are going to use it like a professional mechanic, and it has big buttons on top. This is good too because you are wearing some gloves, for example, and then you can use this scanner too. This is good. There are 3 LED indicators on the scanner. The green indicators indicates your vehicle is good condition. And on the right side there is a plug for the USB cable. With this USB cable you are able to print some informations and make a system update, of course. The yellow LED indicates there are some issue waiting to be fixed and clear codes. The red LED indicates your vehicle's serious problem. You may not pass the emission test if the problem could not be fixed. But now, first step, install the long, extra long 5.2 feet cable. Use for this 2 screws on top, and then it is fixed to the automatic diagnostic scan tool. This is a good condition to make some tests and have a day all-day garage using power. I like the extra long cable too, really nice. That means you can dock it into the USB OBD2 port, sorry about this, and then you are able to get 5.2 feet in this area, and this is nice. Long cable is godlike. This is a manual of this product. It is in English language, but this is okay. English language, this rules everything, isn't it? And of course, there's a protective bag and box in this set. This is for better storage and makes a better protection for this automatic diagnostic scan tool. So all in this is a nice and easy using product. Good job. And now let's have a look what this product is doing at an automotive like my car, the Audi A1. Let's go and head up to the car to test this awesome product. Let's go. Okay, let's open the driver's side of the car and get inside. Oh, what this? This is an OBD tube scanner. Oh, nice. Now let's try this. Okay, let's go down here. There are the pedals of your car, and on the opposite side, there it is. This is the OBD2 slot. There it will matches this plug. Okay, now plug it in. And as you can see after this, the UBD2 scanner will be booting. Okay, let's have a seat. Close the door. And there are some informations about our driving equipment like Audi A1. In this case, diagnostic, DTC, lockup, review, tool setup, print data, help, and battery check. Let's go first to the battery check by using the buttons here. Okay, let's check the battery first. Press OK, and then as you can see, 12.3 volt, and the engine is off, of course, because we do not plug in the keys. Now let's go back. Escape is back going. So now we are in the main menu. Let's go to diagnostic. I will show you what is happening if you do not turn the ignition on, okay? It is now reading the entering system. And as you can see, nothing is founding because we have to switch to position 1 at the ignition. Let's do this first. Switch on. Turn off the music. Okay, let's do this again. Again. Now, as you can see, the ignition is on, but the engine is not running. Okay, now enter again. And as you can see, there it is. Entering system, good. ML status off. DTC in EQ. Reading the completed 7. Reads not completed 0. There's some information about your car. Now, here the LED, no fault codes. That is the first set to see that some codes are inside. Now you can use read, erase codes. Now read, for example, let's read some current DTs and have a checkup, but there will be no fault codes. Escape, go back, panning DTCs, processing, no codes. That's nice for your product, but if you have some failures, they will show that here. So permanent DTCs, nothing. Good job, easy going, as you can see. Now if you go to escape, go back in position, and now you are able to, if you have some codes, erase codes, enter, and then sure, okay, and you can delete the open codes. Now let's have a look. What is now Datastream? As you can see, we view all items.
and there will be a list of this. Food system, nothing now. But let's go and start the engine. Engine is now on, switch to neutral, and now let's have a look. Calculated load value, engine coolant temperature. So many informations about the car, as you can see. Vehicle speed, engine rounds per minute. Let's check this. I will gear up a little bit. Oh yeah, there you go, there it goes. Yeah, it works. But there are so many other interesting options like graphic items, okay? Few graphic items. So now let's read them. Engine coolant level, calculate load, long turn, intake malfunction. Everything is possible to make a graphical engine RPM. We will use this. And what's next? Oxygen sensors, short term, full trim, oxygen short term, time since engine start. This is now full return, distance traveled. So many informations about your car. Control middle voltage, absolute load, full air, relative throttle position. Let's check this. Okay, now we have two options, and then go to escape. And now there it is, graphic items. Let's go. Now I will give a little bit of gas. Yeah, as you can see now it works here proper. Yeah, these are the values. Rounds per minute, TPRs. Now you can see the view graphic items are really nice to show. And now let's go. You can record them and send them to your mechanic, for example. Freeze time, O2 sensor test. Make O2 sensor test, bank 1, sensor period. And as you can see, there is a status pass, maximum limit 1 second. Everything is fine here. Good old audio, as you can see. So every time go back with escape, and you have to choose with OK. And if you like to go to the main options, go back. And now let's check the battery again. What is with our battery? 14.7 voltage. Engine is on. As you can see, it works easily. Good job. Okay, now let's go to shut off the engine. Engine is shut off, and our engine is now going to off, and our voltage will be a little bit down, but easy going, as you can see. Now you're able to extract the scanner. There it is. And you are ready for more information about this. So easy going, as you can see. Scan tool OBD2 and 1 by Uten. This is a nice product for a professional garage, really. And if you do not have a professional garage, but you will going to buy a used car, it is really nice to have this device with you to check the new car. Okay, so nice product. I like it, and I will use it in the future. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.